Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to teach you how you can verify Wise account. After you created an account for Wise, to use it properly you will need to verify it first. First you'll need to verify your email. To do that, head over to your email. You should have received an email from Wise. If you haven't, you can come over to Wise and then head over to settings. From here you'll see the email. Make sure you click here and click on send email verification. And a verification email will be sent. You just need to click on confirm your email. Now your Wise account email has been verified. In order to send or receive money, you'll need to create a balance account first. You can come over to manage and then here it will show you account details. Get your account details to receive payments like local. So you'll need to create an account of Wise again. Here enter in your details and then you can click on confirm, and after that your account for a certain country will be created. From there you will be able to receive your payments directly to your Wise. So that was the process on how you can verify your Wise account.